Hi everyone, what's in store for 2024? Inventory is building up in terms of homes for sale, and mortgage rates are anticipating to start dropping, making affordability for buyers all the much better, and which will cause more activity in our real estate market for buyers, sellers, and of course investors. Now, when comparing December 2022 to December 2023, we see the average price for freehold homes up 4%, with an average price of $682,000. However, the average days on market for a listing has increased, taking more than 2 months, 71 days to be exact, for a home to sell. Now, for the condo market, average sale prices slightly down, but still very much affordable at an average sale price of $431K for those wanting to enter the housing market and not rent anymore. Now, with this in mind, the tail end of the first quarter, we should start seeing more buyers' confidence to enter the market, and the natural spring market should come about. However, there's a big however, this is also contingent on the Bank of Canada rate announcements. We have 8, count it, 8 announcements this year, and here are the dates. I'm seeing investors hang tight to their dollars, and in general, January is a slower time of the year as buyers and sellers are exhausted from all the spending from the holiday season and paying off their credit cards. Also, kiddos are going back to school, and the restart of family household routines and schedules is another contributing factor to this slower time of the year for real estate activity, of course. One additional factor to note in studying the behavior of our market is if we see a flood of homes coming onto the market this month. If this is the case, this may cause prices to decline if there's too much inventory and not enough buyers entering the market, which is why interest rates play such a crucial part of real estate. Now, switch gears, now talking about the rental market. It has slowed down quite dramatically in certain areas of the city. One reason is due to the time of the year where less people are moving around because it's winter, and second, affordability for tenants. Higher rent prices coupled with landlords needing the higher rents for their mortgage payments is causing a cautious market when tenants are looking for rentals, thus causing this slowdown in the rental realm. Now, as always, we will continue to keep an eagle's eye on the market to ensure we stay on top of what's happening in our Ottawa real estate market. Stay safe, stay active, and we're always selling real estate.